So this is Kiowa. I did a video talking about him being scared and how I was taking charge in the saddle. And I want to talk about rinsing him, because this is a situation where I could either rinse him in a way to make him better, or I can rinse him in a way that's going to make him worse. It still builds on that being in charge again. I know this horse has been rinsed a good bit. You can tell once it starts he understands it, but that initial start, he usually scoots. Let's see what he does. See, now if I was to take and keep running it like that, it's a good chance that that energy, that worry, is going to keep building and building and building, because it's there. He sees it, but it's almost like the worry is going to take charge. Just like when I was on his back, riding him out back, and he would look at that bridge or look at the fence and worry, I took charge. I made him move his feet. Well, in this situation, I'm not going to let him just stand there and stare at the water. I'm going to take charge, and I'm going to spray him and let him understand this is okay. Now, you saw just a big reaction when I first turned it on, and as soon as it touched him, he kind of melted down. He has that big reaction, that worry. Now he's enjoying it. He has that big reaction, that worry, in kind of everything in general. A little bit less there, and went straight to him. So if your horse has that big reaction, or a big reaction, when you start rinsing him, think about what's happening right there. You might want to approach rinsing a different way. You might want to go ahead and just spray him with the water. Many of the horses that I get, I just start spraying with water. There's a few exceptions, but these young ones that don't understand the water or aren't familiar with being rinsed, I generally just start spraying, because we've just been riding. He's hot, he's sweaty, and it doesn't take long and that water feels good. Good boy. Good boy. Let's do it again. And go to the water. You can real easily make a horse scared about anything. It's the basic approach and retreat. If you retreat, if you take the scary object away because of the big reaction, you're teaching him to give you the big reaction, because it went away when he gave you the big reaction. You need to take the scary thing away when he gives you the reaction you want, not when he gives you the reaction you don't want. So if I would start turning the water off every time he would do that big reaction, he's going to learn that that reaction is what makes the water go off. I want him to learn that he enjoys the water, and he's not controlling when the water comes on and goes off. So this is Kiowa. I'll put a link up here to his other videos. Until next time, thank you for watching.